abundant grace available for the hungry soul.
Amen.
A formidable presence of light that illuminates.
I don't know what stopped you 10 years ago. I don't know what stopped you 20 years ago. When the wind shall blow today, you shall be unstoppable.
Impact 2021, Atlanta, Georgia, with Apostle Johnson Suleiman.
Hello, great people. God bless you. Impact 2021 is coming to Atlanta, Georgia. Do you live in America? You live in North America, Canada, Bahamas, Caribbean, Europe. You live in London. Please get your ticket right now, for I'm believing God for mind-blowing miracles, interventions of grace, prophetic release, and the word of God like never before. There is a gift you have, and the enemies have suppressed the gift. This year, the full destiny of your life will manifest. Spirit of paralysis, today is the end. Be healed. Healed.
Hallelujah. No fear. There is nothing. That's impossible.
13th and 14th July 2021, happening at Atlanta Event Hall, 3750 Venture Drive, Duluth, GA 30096, United States of America. Time 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. daily, GMT+1. For inquiries, please call.
What God will do in Atlanta, the ears of those that hear it shall tingle. I'm coming.